Why your Canva design gets cropped when printed, bleed explained. If your Canva design keeps getting chopped off at the edges when you print, it's because you didn't set up the bleed properly. I'll show you exactly what that means in under 2 minutes. Printers trim paper after printing, and if you don't allow extra space, your edges would get cut. So now the first thing we need to do to avoid that is to go over to Files. So click on Files here, and then where we have settings, go ahead and click on Show Print Bleed. This outer line is where your design needs to extend to. If your background stops here, you're going to get white edges. So simply drag your background all the way past the edge until it snaps into the bleed. Now, here's the part people miss. Keep your text inside the inner margin. If your text crosses this line, it can get trimmed. And then when you download, choose PDF print. Click on share, click on download, click on file type and select PDF print. And now simply select crop marks and bleed. That tells the printer exactly where to cut. If your design prints cropped, it's not Canva, it's the bleed. Turn it on before you design, not after. In the next video, I'll show you the exact export settings professional printers expect.